Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Edimax Gemini RE11 extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Edimax Gemini RE11 extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the Edimax RE11 is a dual-band Wi-Fi extender that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal and creates a single seamless network across your home using smart roaming technology. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall socket. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. The power LED should turn solid, not blinking. This means the device is ready for setup. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named Edimax_extender_XXX, default network name. Open a web browser and enter http://edimax.setup or 192.168.2.1 in the address bar. Log in, use the default credentials. Username is admin and password is 1234, unless changed. The extender will scan for available networks. Choose your existing Wi-Fi, enter the password, and proceed. You can either extend your Wi-Fi using the same name or set a new name for the extended network. Click Apply and wait for the extender to reboot and connect to your network. Move the extender to an area where it can effectively boost your Wi-Fi while maintaining a strong signal from the router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.